Hey, welcome everybody. Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan to give you the best tech information I can. Today's going to be talking about Intel, and I don't talk about this lightly. There have been a dumpster fire of a company as of the last year and a half. It's been really bad. And what's going on right now even concerns me just as much, if not more, with what's happening is one of the bright spots they had toward the end of last year was their video cards, the art graphics. They actually put out a halfway decent card that was doing pretty good. And unfortunately, it's that, the what I'm seeing trending now is that Intel's rumored high-end Battle Mage GPUs have been canceled, and it's time to worry about the GPU competition. Um, you know, that's not a good thing. I want competition in the marketplace. We need multiple companies making multiple products. And this is not as bad in the GPU marketplace because we still have AMD making GPUs and NVIDIA making GPUs. It was nice to have a third company in there, but what gets really bad is, the information about the integrated GPU ARC graphics that was in the MSI claw that now is not going to be in the MSI claw. So what we've got is, another issue here where MSI will switch to AMD chips for its high-end claw handheld PCs. You realize there's no competition for integrated graphics for any handheld Windows-based PC but AMD. AMD's got a monopoly on that particular situation with their Z1 and Z2 and Z2 and Z1 Extreme processors that are in the market. This plays very badly for us consumers because we end up not having an option to go with other than AMD. I really liked Intel having another option for us to choose from so that they kind of kept AMD honest. Now AMD, if they end up being a proprietary, not a proprietary, but a monopoly, we could end up seeing a situation like NVIDIA where the price just gets pumped up and up and up. And if you want a Windows-based handheld, you're going to have to pay some stupid astronomical price. Fortunately, in the history of AMD, we've seen that hasn't really been the case. They haven't really been that kind of company that's kind of like pushed their price into the stratosphere like NVIDIA has. When NVIDIA holds all the cards on the fastest GPUs that you can get, along with their AI technology. That being said, AMD's catching up to them too, as well as that goes, and there'll be some future videos on that coming up. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think that this is a bad situation for all of us, consumer-wise? I think so. I hope that Intel takes another look at the market and decides that maybe they should invest and try to keep themselves a small foothold in the GPU marketplace and the integrated GPU area, because that's one way they can sell a lot of processor chips is to push out something like that. You can't have an Intel-based system always needing an NVIDIA graphics in order to even do anything reasonably decent at all when it comes to gaming or anything graphic-wise. They've got to have some kind of integrated GPU. AMD's integrated APUs, and not just even in the Z1 Extreme, but the stuff they got coming out with has been great as far as the performance show that's been shown out of them. We got the Strix Halo coming out, and they've got, the handhelds with Z1, Z2 Extremes, Strix Halo more in laptops. There'll be a version of Strix Halo that probably will come to handhelds as well. That it's absolutely a crazy situation, and we need more competition in the marketplace so that these companies are kept in check, because otherwise we could be finding ourselves in bad situations as consumers if we don't have choice. You guys all have a great day. I just wanted to run this little tidbit of information by you guys, and I hope that it helps you have a good frame of mind knowing what the marketplace is doing and how things are going in the market. See you in the next video. Bye.